Question 8. Solve these equations. So we're given two quadratic equations here. First one, we look at what multiplies to make 5 and what adds to make minus 6, because there's nothing in common. So there's no single bracket factorising going on here. So we have a double brackets that will involve -5 and -1. We then set each factor equal to 0 because we've got to solve the equation. And that's going to give us two answers. One of them is 5. And one of them is 1. For the second one, this quadratic equation will not factorize. Of course, you could try and factorize, but basically when you check it or when you break it out, it won't work. So you've got two options here. One is solved by the completing the square, or the other is using the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula is minus b, so that's a minus 5, plus or minus the square root of b squared, minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is 1, all over 2a, like so. And then when the dust settles here, you're going to have a positive 5. What's underneath that root is going to be a 17, and that's going to be all over 4. So you could write your solutions like so. You could have 5 plus root 17 all over 4, and you can have 5 minus root 17 over 4. You could also type these into your calculator and write down the decimal for it. It doesn't actually stipulate how it wants the answer. So either what I've wrote here or to 2 decimal places, we're going to end up with a 2.28. And then for 5 minus root 17 divided by 4, we end up with 0.22. Done.